Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the Dynamics 365 plugin execution cycle. In this video I will try to answer two questions, so let's get started. This might help new developers to understand and use the event pipeline appropriately. So first question is, when is the transaction initiated in the plugin execution cycle in Dynamics 365? Well, it happens during the pre-operation stage. This stage occurs before the main system operation and is within the database transaction. Here's a quick overview of the stages. Pre-event, pre-validation. This executes before the main system operation and outside the database transaction. In this stage, we can perform custom validation. Suppose you have a plugin that validates data before creating an account. In this stage, you can check if the account's email address is already in use and prevent duplicates before the actual creation happens. Pre-operation. From the stage where the transaction is initiated, right before the main system operation and within the database transaction. Let's say you want to update a field value automatically before saving the entity. For instance, you want to set a default value for a custom field on the account entity. In this stage, you can set this value before the entity is saved to the database. Main operation. This is the actual platform operation. This is where Dynamics 365 performs the actual database operations, like creating, updating, or deleting the record. You don't have direct access to this stage. Post-operation. Post executes after the main operation and within the database transaction, but only if the plugin is synchronous. Assume you want to send a notification email after an account is created. In this stage, you can access all the field values of the newly created account and send an email notification after the account has been successfully created. Understanding these stages helps in effectively developing and debugging your plugins. Second question is, what is the availability of the fields of the entity in different stages of the event pipeline of a plugin in Dynamics 365? All right. Now let's talk about the availability of entity fields at different stages of the event pipeline in a Dynamics 365 plugin. Here's the breakdown. Pre-validation stage. Fields are available. This stage executes before the main operation and outside the database transaction. Pre-operation stage. Fields are also available here. This stage executes before the main operation and within the database transaction. Main operation. Fields are not available in this stage. This is the actual platform operation, and no plugins are registered here. Post-operation stage. Fields become available again. This stage executes after the main operation and within the database transaction if the plugin is synchronous. Also, remember, pre-image, available in the pre-operation stage, showing the values of the entity fields before the main operation. Post-image, available in the post-operation stage, containing the values of the entity fields after the main operation. Knowing the field availability at these stages is crucial for developing efficient plugins. That's it for today's insights on Dynamics 365 plugins. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.